Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel flan. First, let's prepare the caramel. You'll need about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Melt it gently in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful, as it gets very hot. Once melted, immediately pour this liquid gold into a 6-inch round baking dish, tilting it to coat the bottom evenly. Set it aside to cool and harden. Now let's create the creamy flan base. In a blender, combine 4 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This ensures a silky texture in your finished flan. Don't overmix, just enough to combine everything thoroughly. With your caramel set, carefully pour the blended flan mixture over it in the baking dish. To ensure even cooking and prevent cracking, we'll use a water bath. Place your flan dish inside a larger baking pan, then fill the larger pan with about 1 inch of hot water. Bake this assembly in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until set. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial for its texture. After it reaches room temperature, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge, then invert the dish onto a serving plate. The caramel will cascade beautifully over your perfect flan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.